Welcome to the Children's Museum Singapore, a magical place where curiosity comes alive and every moment is an adventure. Designed for young explorers aged 12 and below, this is Singapore's first museum just for kids. Here, learning isn't just fun, it's an adventure filled with history, culture, and imagination. From exploring Singapore's vibrant hawker culture to hands-on workshops that spark creativity, every exhibit is designed to inspire wonder, joy, and discovery. Housed in a historic building from 1906, the museum itself is part of Singapore's story, a space where the past meets the present for every generation to enjoy. It's not just for kids, it's a place for families to connect, learn together, and create lasting memories. Location: Children's Museum Singapore. Open Tuesday, Sunday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Entry fee USD 1 to 5. Book tickets. Children's Museum Singapore website. Amenities: gift shop, cafe, free Wi-Fi, restrooms. Come play, learn, and explore at the Children's Museum Singapore, where every child's curiosity becomes a magical journey.